So hello guys, welcome back in my new video, and today's video I will show you how to use NMAP. A full tutorial will be given and video my all videos will be on NMAP. Then again I will continue with any other tool. Okay, so NMAP is a very important tool, but before learning NMAP we need to know about some of the reconnaissance and information gathering tools. So you can open NMAP by typing NMAP or by seeing in the application section. If you type NMAP as help, okay, so it will show you different types of tools, use case, NMAP use case. Okay, so here the nmap-v, it's a command. Okay, I will discuss about all this in my further videos, but today I will discuss about the reconnaissance tools which are most important, and I will use a domain which is for documentation and learning purpose, which is example.com. okay, so first our first tool is whois. So think of whois like a phone book for websites. I will explain you in very easy manner. Whois tells you who owns a website and how to contact them. If you type whois google.com or example.com, it will show you who owns it. Okay, their email, phone number, etc. Okay, so you can see the information in your screen as the whole information regarding that particular domain is given, example.com. okay, so again our next tool will be like the next one will be NSLOOKUP. okay, so NSLOOKUP helps you find the address, IP address of a website. It's like finding the home address of a place when you only know its name. okay, if you type NSLOOKUP example.com or google.com, it will show you the IP, basically the IP. okay, IP address. Then our third tool to use is dig. Dig is like NSLOOKUP, but it gives you a bit more detailed information. It's like going to websites and asking for all addresses and other cool details. okay, you can use it to further gain detailed information. It is like a detailed evaluation of NSLOOKUP. okay, so it is similar to NSLOOKUP, but it will be giving a much more detailed information. Then our next tool will be like host. okay, so host is a similar version of NSLOOKUP and dig. okay, it helps you find the IP address of a website. okay, when we type host google.com or example.com, we can get the IP. okay, we can read further the different things which are provided in here. So now I will show you the use case of NMAP and how you can download it. okay, basically how to download. So you can type here NMAP download, and then you can see this particular section, download the free NMAP security tool. You can download it here, and you can download it in Windows also. It is available for Windows, it supports Windows. okay, now if you will see the help section, here you can see the demos and all of the tools. You can use them by reading the commands further. See, further I will use the scanme.nmap.org, which is a free domain provided by NMAP for testing. okay, try not to hamper on the server too hard, it's written there. A few scans in a day is fine, but don't scan 2 times or much more. okay, 100 times a day, or use this site test your SSH brute force password cracking. okay, so basically the idea is given, so to use it in a limited manner, not to hamper much in this particular domain. okay, so we will use this in our further videos for gaining and learning purpose. okay, so if I will go in and type major IP, then you can see a website which is of Nearsoft. okay, name website, major IP address blocks by country. okay, so it will show you different types of IPs based on their major blocks, countries accordingly. You can see here. okay, so if I will choose any country randomly, then it will show you the IPs accordingly of that country. Okay, like if I choose any country like Brazil, okay, so it will show us different sections of IP of Brazil. Okay, see, the IPs are here from 2. Okay, so it is the starting point from 0 and then 255. It is a range. Okay, so if I choose any random IP from here like this one, okay, I have selected this and I have copied. Now if I will go in my terminal and I will search for, like, first I will clear the screen, then if I go and type who is and then particular IP, then it will give us the information about that particular IP. Okay, see, it is the telephone number, name, and all of the above things which are mentioned here. Okay, so you can see, as I told you, I have explained NMAP. Who is basically who is. This is a tool. Who is a tool. You can download it or you can install if it's not there. NSLOOKUP is already present in Linux, but who is it is not present. So you can install it by sudo apt install who is. Okay, you can write this and then further you can install it. It shows the net range, CIDR, net name, parent, and net type and all. Okay, so if I will go again here, then you can see the list and the total IPs assigned date accordingly. Okay, if you want to check the geo IP, okay, geo IP, it seems like the geographical area. Okay, so if you need to check that, then you can type geo IP lookup. It is also a tool, but a web based tool. Okay, for reconnaissance and information gathering. So it will give you a section for searching. Downward you can see a lookup option is there, and beside you can give your particular IP or domain. Exactly, you need to fill this. Okay, so fill it accordingly for IP, then click on lookup, and then further it will show you a detailed information about that IP. Okay, so if I will scroll down, and then you can see country is Brazil, state is Rio de Janeiro, and the city, postal code, and everything is mentioned here. You can see. So it's also a type of tool which is useful for information gathering and reconnaissance. Okay, so I have listed all the tools in this video. I have shown you the use case, so it's now depend on you how you use it. Please use it for a better purpose. Don't use it in a bad manner. Okay, so here the things are done. I've shown you many things. Now if you want to save anything, okay, so if you want to save a particular command, a particular result, so for that you need to give a command here. Okay, so first we will use the scanme.nmap.org domain basically to see if it's work or not. Okay, see, NSLOOKUP has given the server address and all, and then IP is also given here, the downward. And if I select that particular address and then I will use NSLOOKUP further in this particular address, then it will give me the name basically. See, if I will do NSLOOKUP and then this address is given, then it will give us the name scanme.nmap.org, which is for testing. As I have shown you, it is for testing purpose, for our use case learning purpose. Okay, see what I am talking about, how to save it. Okay, so if I go here and I will choose any random IP from here, like any country we can choose. For your better understanding, I will choose India. Okay, so like India is here, or any other country you can choose as per your choice. So here you need to choose any IP as I had shown you. So here I am choosing one IP. I will show you something. Wait, Yeah, I've selected this. Okay, so again hit to terminal, and then I will give a command here. Okay, so it will work in this manner, as I will use an lookup and then particular IP and then greater than sign. Okay, wait, I will save this, so I need to go in desktop first. Okay, so I am in desktop, cd desktop, and now I am will give that particular command again. Okay, so I will use ns lookup and then to greater than sign and result dot in text format. I want the result in text format. Okay, it's saved. Let's see what is in the result. Okay, so if I will see the result, I need to visit it and I have to save it here. Okay, so for saving I shown you the command, and the result is quite empty. It doesn't find anything, server can't find. Okay, okay, this happens sometime, but let's see our next tool use case. Okay, so ns lookup doesn't gather any information. We have other choices too, so we will now use whois. Okay, so for using whois, just type whois and the particular IP which I have used further for ns lookup. Now I'm using for whois, and I will save this again in desktop with the name results. Okay, so if I will go in our desktop and I will see that the text file is here, and then you can see the whole information is given, the status, remarks, country, address and all, unallocated, non-portable, everything is there. Okay, you can see the whole information. So like this you can save it in a text format, and then you can further do the reporting part accordingly for better understanding. Okay, for your further tests in future. Okay, so you can save it and you can see the mailbox and all, the mail number and all supported here, and you can see. So I've shown you the reconnaissance tools and I have shown you the use case. Okay, oh sorry, I've hit here wrongly, and I'm okay. So I've shown you everything exactly. Okay, so practice accordingly for better understanding. Do things on your own manner, then it will become much more easier for you to grasp a good knowledge in this. Okay, I've chosen any other IP. I will use dig command or any other command you can use. Okay, or one more command is there which is trace mark. Okay, you can use this. I am assigning you a task to use trace mark. Write trace mark instead of dig and see what will happen. Okay, trace route basically. Okay, so you can use that. See, I have used another command which is text. Test.txt file is created, and then I will go inside and the dig command is used, and it's here the authority section and the query time, server, when it was created. So thanks for watching guys, and if you learned something new then like the video, and if you didn't like then dislike it. Okay, comment if you face any problem. Okay, so meet you in next video. Bye.